If you're ready to speed up your content creation, Jasper's AI writing tools can help you generate blogs, descriptions, emails, and more fast. Here's how to activate them and get started. First, go to Jasper.ai and sign into your account. If you're new, you'll need to start a free trial or choose a paid plan to unlock the AI tools. Once you're in, you'll land on the Jasper dashboard where all the writing templates live. And from the left-hand menu, you click on templates to access Jasper's full library of tools like blog post, intro, product description, and email generator. Just click on any template, fill in a few basic details like topic, tone, or audience, and hit generate. You can also switch to documents if you prefer long-form writing. Here's Jasper's AI assistant, works more like a writing partner, giving suggestions, expanding ideas, and helping you structure full articles or landing pages. And that's it. The AI writing tools are now fully active and ready to help you create content that's fast, high quality, and tailored to your brand's voice. If this walkthrough helped you like the video, subscribe for more AI-powered tutorials, and comment below if you want a deep dive on Jasper's content workflows or boss mode features.